Hello everyone, it's me JB from UniqueTutorials. Today, in this video, I will show you how to fix Windows computer always showing wrong time when dual booted with Ubuntu. So, without further more delay, let's begin. So, right now you can see I'm using a Windows 11 computer. So, you can see here on the right bottom corner. So, you can see here it's showing 7:53 a.m. right? But it's not actually the time. So, let me show my Android's time. So you can see here right now it's 1:24 p.m. but in my Windows computer it's showing 7:54 a.m. so it's totally wrong, right? So the actual time is 1:24 p.m. So how you can correct it when you are dual booting with your Windows as well as your Ubuntu? So let me show you before proceeding. I have a Windows and Ubi, as you can see on the screen, that is Ubuntu installer. So right now I'm in my laptop. I'm using Windows as well as Ubuntu operating system. So when you are using both this operating system in a same computer, then you might face this issue that Windows computer is always showing a wrong time. So how you can fix it? So for this, what you need to do is firstly just move your mouse cursor to the start menu and just open the settings applications, and you can see on the left side there is a time and language. Just click on it, and now you can see on the first list date and time on the right side. Just click on it. Now by default you will see this option set time automatically is turned on. Just turn it off. So the first task is completed. Now you can just close these settings. Now on your computer keyboard just press Win plus R to open the run command, and in the run command just type this name as regedit. Just type this command regedit, and once you type just click on OK or hit enter. It will open the registry editor. Now under the registry editor you can see H key local machine, right? Just select it, and after that just click on this arrow. Now just select this system, and after that just click on this arrow again, and now you can see your option current control set. Just select this, and again just click on this arrow, and now click on this control and just click on this arrow again. Now just scroll down below, and you can see one option name is time zone information, right? So on the right panel, just on the blank area, just right click here and create a new dword 32 value. Just create this and put a name real time is universal. So you need to keep the same name, real time is universal. So you need to type the same spelling as you can see in the video right now. Real time is universal. And once you created this dword, and just right click on it and click on modify, and by default the value will be 0. Now change this to 1. Click on OK. So your all settings is completely done. So you need to restart your computer, and whenever you start using your Windows on your dual booted, that is if you're having a Ubuntu and Windows operating system on the same Windows computer, then once you do these tricks, Windows computer will always show you the right time, that is the same time as you can see on your respective Ubuntu desktop. So let us restart our computer and we'll check out again if it's showing the correct time or not. So finally I have restarted my computer. So now you can see the time, that is the time which is shown in the Windows taskbar, has been corrected automatically. As you can see, I have not set it to any automatically, but by doing the tricks which I have shown you a few minutes ago, already corrected. Now you can see here. So let me show my Android's home screen also to make you a clear view. So you can see the exact time. You can see here 1:33 p.m. So you can see here it's exactly the right time. So you can see 1:33 p.m. So finally, using these tricks, we have fix Windows computer always showing wrong time when dual booted with Ubuntu. So this is one of the best solutions if you are dual booting your computer with both Windows as well as Ubuntu. Then you might be facing such Windows computer always showing wrong time. Then you can try these cool tricks to fix such issues. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.